Okay. My my buddy from Kazakhstan, Tony. Hello, Tony. Tony is famous for being my first visitor when I started RV life. I was in Las Vegas in 1000 Trail parking lot. Tony came, first one, and I'm gonna show that clip here. No, it's my buddy Tony, first visitor. Tony, hello.
Yes, Dooley, congratulations.
How do you like nomadic life?
Life of gypsy according to Borat. Very good.
Very good.
Very good as gypsy.
And we
Here we go. Chikoya.
yeah, dziękuję, yeah.
Like what?
Okay, let's do
Okay,
the
Živeli.
traditional RV shots.
Živeli. Okay,
Živeli.
my friend, good job. Nice to see you.
That's Tony's car. He left, went down to a poker room. I had to change, put my underwear on, and I'm going down. We're at the bike, expecting some action. I'm gonna try to get on his table. Let you know. Got a seat next to Tony so I can harass him. Yeah, that British bastard. I'm from Ireland, that's why, you know. So the game is on. Okay, doing it. Flush draw again. Looks like. What? How much more?
$69. So, he called you, sir. Jack, and you have to show both cards.
Fucking flush draw with the jack.
Thank you, sir.
You got out of it, right?
Two. $15. $40.
Hey, are you going over?
Yeah,
What seat?
I already lost the seat.
You said you want the seat.
I have my
85.
Nine high, like a boss.
Oh.
I had to do it for
for the video.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
It's fine.
That was maybe even before him. In a huge pot, like over 1,000 at
10.
Ocean's 11.
Okay.
I kind of bluffed, and the guy called me all in on a flush draw. And he has 8-6, so my 9 high wins.
Quick. 15.
Rosa, can I have a 2-3, please?
Oh, she call you. 40. So, 6. Thanks. Sorry. Dropped it.
So Tony got a good one. Turned the straight. Was time. Mostly he couldn't get any action so far. And the poker game was really slow and boring. I lost $130. I'll tell you the stories. Here's Tony. He didn't do any better. We came here for dinner.
Actually worse, thank you.
Yeah. So here's nice Mediterranean type dinner. This is nice place at Bicycle Casino. Prices are like $12, $13, $14 each plate, but really big plates. I had fajitas, really good. But this time I ordered a kebab. Price is right. Beef kebab, rice, basmati rice, little salad, hummus, pita bread. And Tony has a chicken gyro with a salad.
Oh, this chicken looks really good, man.
And Stella. Tony's leaving. The game is over. Dinner is over. I need to rest. It is weird stuff, I have to tell you. This was one of the most weird sessions I ever had. Here at the bike. And let's do the top 5. I'm gonna give you my 5 favorite TV shows. You know already I'm fanatically watching UFC, so that's gonna be my number 1. Why? Well, it's not about fighting, but it's about skills, and it's about what those people put into it. And in the beginning of a career, and most of them don't really make some money, except those guys normally at the top. So the sacrifices that make, the training, the practice, the years into it before you can maybe break through into some ranks. Number 2 show is similar, American Ninja Warrior. Oh, I'm fanatic about American Ninja Warrior. Same level like UFC, same thing. Individuals, hard training, hard practice, and really, really low pay, or actually no pay. Only one guy, if he makes it, he gets paid in the final. Number 3 would be America's Got Talent, and that's the show that, again, and I'm repeating that, it's based on individuals, their talents, and okay, sometimes it's a group or a band, but mostly it's individuals. My favorites were when in season 10 and 11, something like that, two 12-year-old girls were winners. And then in next season after that, Courtney Hardwick or something from England, the girl that sings the old rock and roll tunes with the grown-up voice. That was amazing. Number 4 would be again a show that I fanatically watching, and it's a little bit different type. It's Restaurant Impossible with Chef Robert going around the country and fixing restaurants and helping families. It's amazing. You have, if you didn't watch it, it's really not even about a restaurant. It's about more psychological. You have to have people with their inner problems in order to help them with business. And number 5 is Profit, show that didn't air lately. It's businessman Marcus Lemonis, who goes again around the country and helps failing businesses. He actually gets the stakes, usually 40-50% of the business, puts the money in it, and makes a success. If you check the list of businesses he invested in, it's amazing success, even franchises. Marcus Lemonis is also known for being an owner of Camping World. And in RV community, many people don't like him, but they're wrong. He's a good guy, but the business is business. People don't like charges in a service department for RVs, but that's all the same around the country. Every service shop you go, it's 150 per hour. If you go for your car, it's the same thing. So why would RVs be different? Also, Camping World provides all equipment and stuff we can buy. Well, they're more expensive than Walmart. Yeah, but they don't have volume like Walmart. And you should be happy that Camping World stores exist around the country. That's it for tonight. Adios, good luck on a felt, and see you soon.